Welcome back in another tutorial of safety rules. Remember, we had discussed the safety rules that we should follow in the playground, on road. Now in this tutorial we will discuss about the safety rules. Firstly, we follow at home, and secondly the safety rules that you follow in the classroom. Often your teachers and parents guide you about these rules. Yes, you all know very well about these rules. Now let us discuss about them. So let's start. So let us continue with the rules that we can follow at home, so that we will not face such conditions. Okay, let's start. Firstly, we should not play with the sharp objects. Can you name any 2 or 3 sharp objects? Yes, we can see here scissor, blade, needle, knife, and many such things are there that are very sharp, that can cause cuts to our skin. So children, we should not play with these knives and scissors. Otherwise, we get hurt. Do not play with fire. You often go to your kitchen and you want to try to touch the gas stove. Try to avoid it, children. Do not touch the gas stove or play with fire like matchsticks and candles. Otherwise, you will get burns. To avoid such burns, do not play with these things. Next, do not touch electric gadgets, sockets or electric wires, hot iron, etc. Do not touch such things. Otherwise, you will get electric shock. Also children, if you need to plug in some device, when you need to switch on any device, either it is washing machine or it is heater, then when you plug in, be careful that you should wear something in your feet also. Do not plug in any device barefooted when you are not having anything in your feet. Also children, do not touch any electronic device with your wet hands or feet. With your wet hands, you will be more prone to the electric shocks. So avoid such conditions. Also children, be careful that you should not climb up the shelves, or you should not climb on the rails of balcony or your terrace. That may be risky. You may fall and get seriously injured. Don't do like this. Also, just tell me, you keep your toys and your clothes and your shoes at a proper place or throw here and there in your room? If you throw here and there in your room, then you will definitely fall like this child. So never keep your toys on the floor. Always keep all the things organized. Keep all the things at a proper place. Otherwise, you know that you can fall and that may hurt you. Also, keep the plastic bags and medicines out of the reach of the children. If we will not do this and they can swallow it, then that will cause serious harm to them. So avoid such things. Now children, let us discuss about few common safety rules which we have to follow in the classroom, which often your teachers tell you. Let us have a revise over it. Firstly, do not hang or swing on the windows or the doors of the classroom or anywhere. Never. And be careful, if the glass is broken, you absolutely should not do that. Do not push anybody even in fun. If you push anybody, then that child will get hurt and you will feel bad. So, do not do this, children, neither for games nor for fun. Be careful, do not push anyone. Also, can you tell me with what thing you will sharp your pencil? In the classroom or at home also? Will you use a knife or a blade? If yes, then don't use that. Use only sharpener to sharp your pencil. Do not keep out the blade of the sharpener. Use only sharpener. That will not harm you. Also, children, be careful when you come down the stairs, then do not run. Either you are going for the games period or you are going in the recess or after the full break. If you will go, then do not run down the steps. If you run down, you will push each other, then anyone get hurt. Do not jump on the desks. Will you do this? Whenever the teacher is not, when there is a change of the period, will you all stand on your desk? I know that you guys will not do this because you all are very good children. Also, children, do not play with current carrying wires or electric sockets. If you feel anything like hot electrical things, avoid touching them. Next, children, time for short test. We should sharpen our pencil with a sharpener. Very good. We should not run on the... Yes? Yes, children, it is stairs. Yes, you can also write the other answers like road, etc. Okay? Now, we must not dash anybody even in fun. Yes, we must not push. Very good. So, children, I hope the topic is very well clear to all of you. And now you are able to solve the other assignments also. So, all